What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We have a 2013 Vulcan Vaquero. I have not seen a Vulcan Vaquero in like a year and a half, and then in 1 month we have like 5 of them. So we have this one, that one. We just sold 2 or 3. They sell super fast. Love these bikes. This one's got a backrest. It's the only one we've ever had with a backrest. So let's take this thing for a spin. Hold up. That's the Vulcan Voyager. This one's got bar risers on it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Just noticed that. All right, guys, let's jump on. All right, let's do the words of wisdom. Proverbs 20:15. There's gold. I love this one. There's gold and there's abundance of jewels, but the lips of knowledge are a more precious thing. How much of our time and energy do we spend trying to get this one with the big front wheel? No. Just trying to get money, trying to get gold and jewels and riches and be rich and have cool stuff and all those things. When what we should really be doing, like, we search for those things. We search hard to get just things, money and bikes and money and gold. You know, if someone said, hey, there's gold in there, you'd be like, yeah, you know, you do whatever you can. But if someone was like, hey, there's wisdom in here, how much are we searching for wisdom? When wisdom is far more valuable than gold and jewels and money and cash and Benjamins. Not like our Benjamin. Benjamins as, like, you know, a synonym for money. Money, 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 money. All right, now one of these, one of these Vaqueros that we have, the radio works, like what we got going on right there, but the screen doesn't work. Now, I don't know what that is. Could be a loose wire, could be a loose fitting. That's why the price is significantly cheaper, and it's because of that. Now, it works, but you have no idea what you're listening to. Now, if you were going to use the auxiliary, then who cares? To buy a brand new head unit from Kawasaki, you're looking at like $1,200. Obviously, you wouldn't do that. That would be ridiculous. You could possibly get it fixed for a couple $100. You could possibly buy a used one for, I think, like $300. If I had time, I would probably take that out. It's probably a ribbon connection. It's just a bad connection for the LCD screen. And yeah, so you take it out, you get it plugged in, and then you start touching stuff and find out where the bad connection is. I don't have time. It does work though. That's the scoop with that bike, and that's why it's cheap. That's why it's cheaper. It is. We significantly made it cheaper because of that. Because we know it's gonna, you know, it's a thing. You gotta fix it if you gotta fix it. Vulcan Vaquero. I like this backrest. I would adjust it a little closer to me. Unless I'm trying to kick back though. Look at that. There we go. That is nice. That is really, really. Now I'm gonna go straight. This is like recliner. This is like recliner type of comfort. I'm just kicking back. This is the life. This is the Vaquero life. I was a young troubadour, just trying to ride my Vaquero, and I'll be an old troubadour on my Vaquero. That's what I think when I think of the word vaquero. I think of like some type of Spanish word for like bucking bronco or something like that. I don't know what it means. Someone look it up. I'm not gonna do it. Too busy riding my vaquero. All right, cruise control, A/B mode. I don't know what that does. But I know it's telling me, it's telling me I need fuel, like right now, like yesterday. Fuel, 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 fuel. It's like a TV commercial for the band Fuel. Fuel, 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 fuel. Oh, it's going back up. No, it's not. I wonder if it's changing, because when I go up a hill or go down a hill, if it's taking a couple seconds for the pump to be like, oh, nope, now you're good, now you're bad. Whatever. I don't like the looks of these pegs, of these highway pegs. They look like shark fins, but they are comfortable. They are definitely comfortable. Here's what I want to know. Why is every floor this is nice. These bars were back here. This is like sitting in like a supercar, just super lean back. I could see this being a thing. This is like Easy Rider. I need big bars back here. I need a giant 45-inch front tire. This is nice. Yeah, I think what's going on here is, depending on whether I'm on a hill or straight, it's changing the fuel level sensor, because I'm pretty close to being low. It's pretty low. All right, guys, I'm enjoying this Vaquero. This thing is sweet. Hate these grips because they're stupid. Although most people like them. I am probably in the minority. You know what? The next thing Srkcycles is the next thing we're gonna manufacture after tank straps, after our toe straps, after the gloves, after all the cool things we're gonna do, I'm gonna get some good bike grips made, because these are the worst. All right, guys, that wraps it up. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. You still here? You're still here? We'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes. And listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. We're